When most people think of wealth, they imagine a big house, luxury cars, and maybe a fat bank account. But true wealth doesn't start there. It's built layer by layer, just like a pyramid. And if you miss the foundation, the whole thing comes crashing down. So today, let's break down the wealth pyramid and see how the rich structure their money differently from everyone else. At the base of the pyramid is stability. This is where most people either succeed or fail. Stability means having control over your expenses, eliminating bad debt, and building an emergency fund. Think of it as the ground floor. You can't build higher unless your foundation is solid. The wealthy understand this, which is why they protect their downside first. They don't take big risks until they know their safety net is strong. Once the foundation is set, the next layer is cash flow. This is where you move beyond simply working for money. The rich focus on building steady streams of income, whether from a job, a side business, or small investments. What matters is that money consistently comes in, giving them the fuel to move higher up the pyramid. Average people stop here and stay stuck, but the wealthy see cash flow as just the beginning. The third layer is investments. This is where wealth starts multiplying. The rich don't just save, they put their money to work. Stocks, real estate, businesses, or even digital assets. These become their soldiers, generating returns while they sleep. And here's the key: they reinvest, compounding their money over years. This is how small fortunes quietly grow into massive ones. Above investments is protection. The wealthy don't just focus on making money, they also focus on keeping it. This means tax planning, smart legal structures, insurance, and asset protection strategies. Most people never think about this layer, but for the rich, it's non-negotiable. Because what's the point of building wealth if it can be wiped out overnight by a lawsuit, a tax bill, or a market crash? And finally, at the very top of the pyramid, we have legacy. This is where the rich truly separate themselves. Legacy isn't just about passing down money, it's about passing down systems, businesses, and values. Generational wealth is created when you build something that outlives you, something that ensures your family doesn't start from zero again. That's the ultimate level of the wealth pyramid, and it's why some families stay wealthy for centuries. So here's the big takeaway: the wealthy don't get rich by accident. They follow a pyramid: first stability, then cash flow, then investments, then protection, and finally legacy. It's a structure anyone can follow, but most people never do because they try to skip steps. They chase investments without stability or dream about legacy without cash flow. If you want to build real wealth, think like the rich. Don't just dream of the top of the pyramid. Start at the base and climb one layer at a time. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more insights on building wealth, managing money, and creating financial freedom.